Okay, we back with these baked beans. The camera tried to jump ship on me. I didn't know I had to clear up some space right quick. But anyway, I'm gonna put about a fourth of a cup rather of ketchup in there. Got all my other ingredients. I'm ready to stir these up and get them in the oven. I'm gonna bake them at 375 for about a good hour, and they'll be ready to go. Okay, so baked beans. All we got to do for these, like I said, just stir them up. Got that 7-pound can of baked beans in there. I got a 3/4 cup of brown sugar and a cup of barbecue sauce and 1/4 of a cup of ketchup. Stir them up, put them in the oven for 1 hour at 375. So I'll be back. I got to get back outside. Hey y'all, I'm letting y'all sneak a peek. It's almost time to get everything off. The ribs are just about ready, beautifully brown, looking good, smackalicious. And those are the turkey sausage, and then the other ones on the back there are these Bratwurtz, and of course those are the chicken drum. That's my meat, my 3 meats out there. And in about 20 minutes, I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna brush those ribs with that barbecue sauce. And I'm gonna put some lemon butter sauce on those legs and honey. We're gonna be ready to put. I'm gonna run through the oven, run everything through the oven, and just let it sit there about maybe 15-20 minutes. But that's my grill, and that's what I love to do. And it's on my same old grill, this backyard grill. This is my husband's grill from 25 years ago. This says the Backyard Classic Professional. That's what my husband was, a classic professional griller. And I'm keeping his grill. I think one individual said he was going to fix this area down here for me. So we're going to see. I might retire. I don't know. I just don't have the heart to. But we'll see. It takes a little bit longer because you have to do so many different things with it. But it cooks like you would not believe. So, folks, I'm going to run in the house, tidy up a little bit, and I'll be back out here in about 15 minutes. Okay, y'all, what I'm doing to these, what I did, I guess I should have shown you before I came out here. I'm so hot, I'm trying to get out from out here. Okay, the chicken is done, and of course the ribs are as well. And what I have done, I melted a stick of butter, a teaspoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of complete seasoning, and a tablespoon of garlic powder, and just a pinch of salt, and about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Because remember I said this was going to be grilled lemon chicken. Okay, so that is exactly what it is. So what I'm in the process of doing now, I've already basted one side. I'm basting the other side, and I'm letting that seasoning just grill right on into it. That's gonna be some good eating, y'all. Just letting it grill into it. I'm gonna lay on there, and then I got to go over the other side of the grill, of course, and I've got to baste the ribs. The ribs are ready to be basted as well, so they're all done. So what I'm gonna do, I got my barbecue sauce ready over here. And what I did, I mixed. Y'all know I always mix my Sweet Baby Ray's with a little extra brown sugar, some Bragg's vinegar, and just mix it up together. Just give it a little bit of different taste. And all I'm going to do with this is, let me see if I can find a home for some of this stuff. My space is always so limited, y'all. Let's see if I can get this. I don't want my camera to overheat over this grill. Let's see if I can get me a good shot down on that grill. Yeah, that's pretty good. If I get that pan out of the way, I think I'll be feeling pretty good. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and the grill is still on. Not really cooking all that much now, but it's still nice and hot. So what I like to do is just sort of, put my seasoning on, not my seasoning, but my sauces on, and let them glaze on while they're on the grill. Let me get that a little bit better shot than that. Let me let that lid camera down a little bit. You can see everything that's on there now. Okay. And I hope I don't turn this off. There we go. Hey, Pegs, you did pretty good, girl. I was tired, y'all. I'm ready to go in the house now. Whew. Yeah, perfect shot. And I've already taken the sausage off. Y'all have to see them sausage when we get in the house, just because that's the next time I'll be opening them again. Okay, I got my foil ready over here to cover everything up with. You know what? The flies came, but they weren't as bad as I thought they were going to be. I thought I was going to have to beat them rascals down. I didn't have to give them too bad of a beat down. I only killed about 4 or 5 today, seriously. So anyway, what I'm going to go ahead and do now. Whew. Yep, I flipped that with my hand. And the grill is still on, y'all. Where's my tongue? Oh, my tongue's over there. That's okay. I can use this right here. Put that one up here like I need it. Go ahead, and all you gotta do is just mop them real good. Mop them real good. Something a little bit smaller than a bird, but bigger than what I'm used to seeing, sort of buzzed by my ear, y'all. I'll get ready to do a Tanya on that thing. Okay. And you know what? Praise the Lord. I know God has kept me because I've been ripping and running. Because remember, I had the kids earlier today. And, honey, them little bugs was giving me a run for my money because they walk behind me. Look, children don't even, they don't even think about that. I won't say they don't care. They don't know to care. They're just babies. And they want what they want when they want it, and however many times they want it, and however much they want it. And they want the Gigi. That Kylie, she said, Gigi, I gotta use the bathroom. I said, go ahead on, you. She'll go right on, but she wanted my attention is what it was. That little rascal said, I want you to take me. And I had, mind you, I had just taken her. But she wanted, I said, well, Kylie, you just want, she said, well, I got to go again. I said, well, go on, baby. Now, the time before she went up the stairs, used the bathroom, she even knows how to, get her tissue and do what she needs to do. But this time, honey, she wanted Gigi. I want you to do it, Gigi. And I'm thinking to myself now, you just want my attention. So, honey, you know, y'all, you have to just go and stop what you're doing and do it now. Have to do it for the children. Okay, so now we're doing side 2. Just go ahead and slosh them really, 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 really good. And of course, you know, I always cut my ribs in finger-sized pieces, so I'll be cutting these up when I get in the house. And I am going to run, while I'm cleaning up and waiting on to eat, these going back, I'm going to sit them right in the oven. And they'll continue to make, and I'll make sure, but they're baby backs. So I know they're good and tender. That's why I always do baby back. I rarely do the big ribs anymore. I just enjoy the baby back so much. So we're done with that. See, this is just not even a real hard thing to do. That's wonderful. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead. Let's see. Lost my lid. That was real good. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get my chicken off here. That chicken's ready. That chicken is ready for the world. And what I'll do is I'll run it through the oven and I'll just leave it uncovered because I really want it to be kind of crispy. I'm hoping, I also like to put it through the oven. It's been on the grill for about a good, I know 2 hours, at least 2 hours. So it's good day. These buddies here are ready. Y'all hear me? They are ready. A little bit more fire on this side. So all I'm doing is just turning these over and getting them over on this side. Catch that last little bit of fire. Okay. last little bit of fire on that side. I'm gonna get my pan for that. Now, let me y'all know why I have to wrap these ones while I'm outside. And I don't want to have to kill a fly now. I'll swat a fly right now. Oh yeah, that's just some fire on that side, and this is exactly what I want. Some more fire over there, because I want these, while I take these in the house, I'm going to let that just sort of glaze a little bit. And pretty much, y'all, I don't think I got to do these ribs is get them off of here and cut them up. So the grilling is done. So the meal is ready. Everything, my sides are all ready. So I'm going to get this stuff in the house, and we'll do our final little shot of this. So this might have to be a part 2 for this. I thought it was just beautiful, y'all. Fit for a king. Okay. Okay, everything is off the grill. These are the ribs. I'm getting ready to go ahead and cut them in riblet size pieces. And then I'm going to cover them, and we're done. This meal is done. So I've been cooking, let's see, since about 2 o'clock. So I got kind of a late start. They take the chicken and ribs took about 2.5 hours start to finish, to get them on the grill, get them cooking, and here I am right now slicing them up. They're nice and tender. These are well, it's supposed to be baby backs anyway, baby back ribs. So they're nice and tender, as you can see, falling off the bone. So I'm going to go ahead and get these cut up. And all you do, you know, it's real simple. Just cut them in pieces. I had already cut them in half before I started cooking. They're just easier to handle on the grill. Unless you just like, you know, want the whole slab. But I had a lot of meat to put on there. So I wanted to get everything on there at one time pretty much. So here we are. Got the ribs off the grill. We're going to cut these. The next cut that these boogers gonna get is with our teeth. Now I can have a couple of ribs, and that's about it. I don't eat a lot of anything, period, anything. I just eat what I like and keep it moving. So anyway, when you see this again, it will be on the flavor train more than likely. So hold on, I'll get everything together. Okay, y'all, this meal is done. Let's go over it. Let's show it. Let's do what we need to do. On the back burner are those nice, tender, fall off the bone, barbecued baby back ribs, cooked on the grill. And of course, that is a grilled lemon, pepper, and butter chicken, drumsticks. I grilled it, and then after I grilled it, I made up a butter sauce to put over it with lemon. It was lemon juice, butter, complete seasoning, and black pepper. So that made it real good. And of course, these are my sausage. These are my, these are some chicken Italian sausage. And I'm trying to think of the name. The other name, the other sausage, I'll think of it in a minute. And of course, I got my good old yummy baked beans right there. One of the size, one of my 4 sides. And that is some Southern style potato salad that I purchased at Sam's Club. And it's pretty good. Not bad at all. And of course, those are my Tyra style green beans. And remember, I told you I ended up having the French cut, but you can use the regular beans, either one, but they taste wonderful. And of course, that's that good old sweet buttery corn on the cob. Y'all, this is our dinner for Saturday and Sunday. So y'all won't see me cooking tomorrow, but this is the meal that I prepared for the weekend. And like I said, we can say what we want to say about it. We can call it 4th of July, Independence Day, or whatever. But we're going to sit back, and nonetheless, we're going to relax and enjoy this meal. God's going to bless it just like he has every other meal that I've prepared in this house. So I tell y'all one thing. It was a long day. It was a hard day. But y'all, it was a good day. Not tired as I thought I was going to be. But I thank God, honey. This food is done. You can stick a pin in it. You can call it a day. You can bite it, do whatever you want to, but I'm done. And the next time I get on that grill again, Everybody gonna know about it. Okay, so anywho, I'm done. Thank y'all for hanging out there with me in that hot sun. Thank y'all for praying for and with me. Thank y'all for standing in the gap, and of course, thank you for continuing to pray and to try and reconcile those differences so that we can make life a little bit better. Continue to pray for those who've fallen ill to the virus, and for those who are going through issues with the social unrest, whatever the situation is. And like I say, this 4th of July and Juneteenth celebration, I've been celebrating it for probably 65 years. So it's Independence Day and I'm still cooking. So love you guys. Y'all have a wonderfully blessed day, however you want, whatever you're doing today. Enjoy it. Love you. Thank y'all. And I'll see y'all again soon. Toodaloo. Oh, remember, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Love you. Toodles.